Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to publish website on Wix. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. First, to publish your website, what you can do is to go and log in into your Wix account and click on the website that you want to publish by clicking on the button Select and Edit Site. You'll be routed into this page, and what you will do is go to Settings. That is on the left side panel of the screen. That's the second to the last option. And then just click on Website Settings. And here you see this website is currently unpublished. So you can click on Learn More and you will learn on how to publish your website. So what you can do is go to Editing your website and then just click on Publish. So here when you go to your home, just click on Edit Site. That's the button on the upper right corner. And wait for your website to fully load so that you'll be able to edit and publish that. So basically, once there is a website that you're creating and if it's not published yet, this option will show up on the upper right corner of the screen. Here, it's currently grayed out. We just need to wait for it to load. And if you do want to edit, you can do the edits and then just click on save and then publish. And there you have it. Your website is now published here on Wix. Then you can go back to your homepage and you will see that it now indicates that you will now, or your website that you created here is currently published. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.